I am Heidi Westman-Neal, an author in the middle of her career. I've written books like this one, and you can too. In fact, if you've committed to writing a novel in November, you're 1/3 of the way through the challenge. I hope you're making progress and you are meeting your word goals. If not, you still have time to catch up. Regardless of how far along you are, I am proud of you and the progress you're making, especially if this is the first time you've written a novel. You are generating a lot of work, an impressive amount. You might find it hard slog or draining. And that's fair enough. You are putting a lot of writing mojo into this work. Be sure to put some writing mojo back into yourself. As creatives, it's important for us to nurture and replenish our souls to allow us to continue to create. It's vital. Otherwise, you cannot fill a cup from an empty jug. If writing is taking something out of you, please put something back in. Here are several ideas to replenish your creative reservoir. Take care of your physical health. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Eat the nutrition that's right for you. Get sufficient sleep. Get some physical exercise every day. Take needful medication. Practice good personal hygiene. All of this supports your physical body, which houses your brain, which is the source of your creativity. Feast upon the arts. What you put in will help drive what you put out. Read a book. See what others have put out. Watch a movie. Look at a painting. Really look at it. Study its elements. Listen to music, not as background noise, but as the focus of your attention. Look for the layers of harmony and other elements. Create art. I'm talking bad, amateurish, not even a hobby art. Think of it as cross-training. Go draw a picture. Stick figures are fine. Dance as if no one's watching. Play some music. Go make a meal. Make it look pretty on the plate. Find something that produces an end product. Take care of your mental health. Practice daily affirmations. I can write a novel. Journal your thoughts. See your therapist. Stop doom scrolling. Meditate or pray to your God. Practice mindful kindness towards other human beings. As an author who's had multiple books come out of me, I know the importance of putting something back in. These 4 ideas are how I replenish my creative well and nurture my soul sufficiently to be able to write. I am living proof that writing 50,000 words in 30 days is possible as part of completing an entire novel. I've finished a book, and you can too, especially if you take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow for another pep talk. And remember, you've got this.